Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking garlands, so on trend with flowers or hypericum berries. To do this, I like to get everything ready ahead of time. Cutting the blooms flush to the base of the flower, laying them out, plucking the berries, removing all the leaves, then stage them by size. So you've got all the large, medium, small, so that when you do the beading, you can bead a pattern. Larger, smaller, back to larger. For the actual stringing, I like to use bullion wire. It's nice and strong, has a little bit of texture to keep it from sliding. Then a standard sewing needle, thread it on, and then all you need to do is bead directly on, sliding it down, and repeat as you go. Be sure to close off the end. You can use glue, you can tie it, but some way to make sure it doesn't come off. And then you're ready to decorate with your handmade garlands.